Today we'll talk about how can you add breaking news on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on menu down here, just click on it here. So when you just click here on menu here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here, just click on settings. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on your settings here, you come to next step here, then you click here on your subscriptions here, settings. So then here add breaking news, just click on it. Then here can you subscribe this here to add breaking news in this list on your Webull app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.